Screenshots are a powerful tool. You can show someone where to click, you can show students where they made a mistake. The possibilities are endless. And there's actually a tool built into your laptop to help you do that. If you hold the Windows key, the Shift key, and the S key at the same time, it pops up what's called the Snip and Sketch tool. So as I hover my mouse over here, right now I'm on rectangular snip. I could change it to be a freeform snip. I could do a window snip or even a full screen snip. So let's do a window snip. I click on the window and it's taken a picture. It pops out this little, hey, your screenshots over here, and that's in the Snip and Sketch. So I can maximize the window just to show you what's going on here. We've got our touch writing, so I can turn that on, and then I can take my finger using our touchscreen laptops, and I can say, this is where you access PowerSchool Professional Learning. So I can use that same pencil color that has already been selected. And you can, of course, change the color, you can change the thickness. And if I were to turn that off, then I have to use my mouse, because if I hit my finger, it just starts scrolling. You can click on, which one is this? This is the ballpoint pen. So this is our pencil tool. You can change the color and the size. We have the highlighter. Same thing, you can change the color and the size. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that back on here. We also have the eraser. So you can erase all just by clicking that, and then everything is gone. You can, of course, do the undo over here if you want it to come back. And there is a ruler, so you can move that up and down if you need to make a straight line. There's also the protractor. So if you need to make a perfect circle or even just show some math or something like that, you can use the Snippy tool. Lastly is the crop. So if we wanted to get rid of my little video there, I can do that. Click enter or the check mark to apply, and now I have my screenshot. So you can, of course, save this. I usually save it in my downloads because I'm going to get rid of it soon. I can just save it as a JPEG, a PNG, or a GIF file. Click save, and then I know it's in my download folder, and I can share it with whoever I need to share it with. So don't forget about that Snippy tool. Keyboard shortcut is Windows key, Shift S to launch it. And that's going to give you these options. I'm going to close that for now. I also have it pinned on my taskbar down here. So if you right click, you can actually pin to the taskbar. Or I could do something like take a new snip, take a snip in 3 seconds, take a snip in 10 seconds. So that allows me, if I did 3 seconds, I can go back to the website, and then there we go. Now I can do a completely new snip, and this time if I did maybe just the little triangle one, I could show off just that part, not have my video in it to begin with, and edit from here. So I hope this video was helpful. Enjoy using the Snippy tool.